my video review of the Sonic USA SBT40 Mecha Cube Max Portable Bluetooth speaker. This is the way it package was sent to me, and some of the unique features: has an extreme built-in subwoofer. I assume that's a passive subwoofer, and a 5-watt driver. This is the case it came in, and it says deep powerful bass right there. So we're going to open this up and we're going to test the functionality of this device. So we have the package here, and I see a play pause button, looks like, and a little phone symbol there. There's the on-off switch, 5-volt micro USB, and a line-in port on there. It's got a rubber on the bottom. Neat looking speaker. You got your volume minus and your volume plus on the other side right here. So in this little package it came with, let's see what's inside here. You have your USB charging cable and your line-in 3.5 millimeter line-in cable, which we're going to test. And then we have a little instruction booklet here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to charge the device, and we're going to plug this into a typical 1 amp USB port, so I have in my studio here, and the other end is going to go into what it's labeled as DC 5 volts. So as you can see, there's a little indicator right there that came on, and looks like it's solid red. And let's see what the manual says about that. So the manual says that that little red LED will turn off after it's fully charged. We'll come back and do more testing. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half. You can see that the LED light turned off, so it's fully charged. Now let's turn the unit on. And let's see if we could get this paired up. I have a Nexus 6 here. Let's go to the Bluetooth, and it came up with a Mecha Cube Max right there. And it looks like the LED is blinking with a blue, so it looks like I'm connected. Now let's see if I can stream some music here. Now I'm going to listen how this sounds, and I'm going to mute the audio in the video so that there's no copyright infringement problems with YouTube. Let's hear how it goes. Okay, it sounds really good. To do the volume control, you hold the volume down and the volume up, and to change tracks, you pulse it, and that will change the track. And then holding it will be volume changes.
Hey, sorry I missed your call, but just leave a message after the beep.
And I listened to the sound. It sounds really good. It's really small, as you can tell by the size of this compared to my hand. And yet it's got a pretty decent amount of bass on there, which is really nice. So next thing I want to test, so I tested the Bluetooth. We're going to see if the auxiliary in works. So we're going to use the included cable, and we're going to try the auxiliary in case you don't want to use Bluetooth. This is another way to do it. So I'm going to take the headphone output of my phone, and I'm going to plug it into the line input on here. And let's see if we get the thing to work. So there it goes. So I'm going to lower the volumes to avoid copyright infringement here. But that worked. So that's a way that you could send music right to the device using the included cable. Next thing we're going to try, see if it picks up a phone call, what happens. So I just checked the range of the system. It worked for about 35-40 feet, so that's pretty much within spec. Now let's see if we could make a phone call while this is playing. I'm gonna.
I've been ignoring this big lump in my throat. I shouldn't be crying. Tears were for
I'm calling my cell phone now.
some stronger.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello. There you go. So that worked. So I hit the button there, and I'm talking to the Bluetooth device through my phone. And then once the phone call is disconnected, it starts playing again, streaming the music to it. So what's my overall impressions of the Sonic USA SBT40 Mega Cube Maximum Portable Bluetooth speaker? I think this is a great device. It's probably the first Bluetooth player that I've tested. I've tested many of them that has what appears to be an active bass speaker. This is not a passive subwoofer. It's actually active, so there's an amplifier in there for the bass alone. As you can see, I tested the line in, I tested the charging, the Bluetooth capability, the volume, the track changing, and the overall sound of this. And it sounds great when you think about the size of this. I mean, look at this fitting in my hand, and the quality of the sound's really good. I tested the phone capability, it worked fine, the range was fine too. So I'm going to give this device a perfect 5-star rating on my video review channel, and I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.